Belfast. As soon as you hear the name, it might conjure up a range of feelings. Curiosity, excitement, joy, even sadness. But what is in a name anyway? In the Irish tongue, Belfast is Belfast, which means mouth of the Sandbank ford, or at least something very similar to that. It was first mentioned in the Annals of Tiernach, an ancient Irish chronicle which records a battle here in 666 AD between the Ulu and the Cruithin, two tribes fighting in Belfast. Imagine that. And this is the spot where Belfast got its name. The Sandbank was a result of the River Farset joining the River Lagan here, and it could be used to ford the Lagan at low tide. Before the building of the first bridge, it was the quickest way for people to cross the river if they didn't have a boat, but it must have been a perilous, if not a deadly, challenge. In fact, a chapel, first mentioned in 1306, called the Chapel of the Ford, was built where travellers could pray for a safe crossing before making their attempt to cross. Today, it is the site of the iconic St George's Church of Ireland on High Street. The ancient Farset River still flows under High Street and very close to the foundations of one of the most recognisable symbols of Belfast, the Albert Clock. As a result of being built on reclaimed land, the 2,000-ton clock tower soon started to lean over, 4 feet to be precise, making it our very own leaning tower. It can truly be said to be the only clock tower in Ireland with both the time and the inclination.